Welcome to Expedience software, the proposal software you already know how to use. Expedience brings advanced proposal automation tools directly to Microsoft Word so you can create consistent, error-free, business-winning proposals faster than ever. Expedience also automates Excel-based RFPs and PowerPoint presentations too. The Expedience suite includes everything needed to streamline your proposal process. That means your content library, proposal process management tools, automated proposal templates, branding and formatting tools, reporting and analytics, and content management automation are all at your fingertips in one place, Microsoft Word. Let me show you. When users launch Word, the Expedience proposal automation ribbons automatically load. For example, this tab called RFP Content is the content library ribbon that holds my answers to RFP questions or sections of proposals. What you call this tab and how you organize your content is completely up to you. With Expedience, you have an easy-to-navigate outline of proposal content and RFP answers to select and drop directly into any active document. Generate complete proposals in seconds from automated templates by simply selecting the appropriate content sections to include for the opportunity at hand. Quickly replace variable content using powerful content controls called Placeholders. Fill out placeholders directly within the document, from a form within the Expedience ribbon, or from outside data sources like Excel, Outlook, or Salesforce.com. When responding to an RFP, DDQ, or other questionnaire, highlight a question and select Search. Your best-fitting answers are presented in a weighted view, with the best answers listed first. Preview these records, select the best one, and drop it directly into the RFP. Excel-based RFPs are completed in the exact same manner. Expedience automates the process of replicating these Excel questionnaires in Word, answering them with the RFP content library, and pushing these completed answers back into the customer's RFP. If your RFP responses require coordinating contributors and reporting on progress, Expedience offers a beautiful solution directly from within Microsoft Word. With Expedience, you can simply mark up an incoming RFP to assign owners, flag important items such as compliance instructions, and run simple reports to automate and track progress on the RFP response. We hope that you already see how simple Expedience makes creating your best possible proposals and RFP responses. This simplicity means less training and much higher user adoption. Let our team show you the power of Expedience to solve your RFP challenges today.